name is Chris, so welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this. So here you can see the difference on the facelift dashboard compared to the old. This is of course the biggest difference, so that you can fit the new bigger screen. And then of course this one is all plastic and the new one is genuine leather with stitching. There we go. Speedometer. So now let's go from this boring standard cluster in miles per hour to this. Here's the last piece of the puzzle for the parking sensors display. And since I added the leather with stitching on the new dashboard, of course I won't be happy with this one, so of course I got these with the leather and stitching as well. So when I change the glove box, of course I want the real locking mechanism from the original one. So how do you take this one out? You take this key blade, put it in there and turn it, and then you just pull it out like that. For the new glove box, of course you don't have a key blade, so you just take a screwdriver and pop this off without damaging anything, of course. And then you can actually see that there's a small lock pins in here. So you just put the screwdriver into this one and you pick the locks inside and turn it 45 degrees and take it out and install it the reverse order. Put on these. So now just this frame. If you like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on the new videos, and also hit that bell so you get notifications when new videos turn up. Until next time, see you.